Hello everybody! Today I'm going to unbox and take a closer look at the Tangle Teezer Easy Dry and Go Large. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So in this box is a Tangle Teezer Easy Dry and Go Large vented blow dry hairbrush, and just taking a look at the details that's on the box packaging. And the box is recyclable. And taking a look at the side of the box, there are a list of features for this vented blow dry hairbrush. And taking a look at the back of the box packaging, there's some information about the Easy Dry and Go hairbrush in various languages. And on the opposite side of the box, there's some information about Tangle Teezer's founder, and about the Tangle Teezer brand. And Tangle Teezers are designed, developed, and made in Great Britain. And now let's go ahead and open up the box by pulling open the box flap and sliding the hairbrush out from it, and of course sliding the insert that's in it out as well, and closing the box back up and just setting that to the side, so setting that on the right hand side of the table, and of course with the hairbrush out, setting that on the tabletop as well, and giving you a look at the insert. Of course we've seen that information on the back part. Let's open it up, and it's giving us a look at the various Tangle Teezer products. And just setting that insert to the side, so setting it on the left hand side of the table, and giving you a look at the Tangle Teezer Easy Dry and Go in the large size. And as I mentioned, this one is in the Lilac Cloud color, so giving you a look at the hairbrush before I start handling it. Okay, and now taking a closer in look at the hairbrush. So it is relatively light for its size, and as you can see, it does have the bottle shaped flex teeth, and they are in a staggered layout or formation, as you can see, top down and of course straight on. And of course taking a look at the details of the handle as well, so we can see that Tangle Teezer branding molded into it. And on the back part, once again, the Tangle Teezer branding, and we can see that overall it does have a glossy and matte finish to the hairbrush texture. And right there, giving you a look at the side profile, and let's do a 360 rotation to give you some sense of its overall shape and size. And of course, giving you a sense of size with the hairbrush resting in my palm and holding on to the head of the hairbrush. And the handle, just gripping the handle right there. And once again, taking that close-up look at the patented flex teeth design, and of course that row of vents in the middle part of the hairbrush. So giving you a look at the patented flex teeth, and just running my finger along the teeth to give you a sense of their flexibility or stiffness. So right there, just brushing, and of course now using my thumb for even greater pressure right there, so just pressing down really hard, and of course directly down as well, so you can see it does kind of give. And they do spring back into shape. So right there, giving you an overall look at the details of the flex teeth, which are bottle shaped and staggered to draw or squeeze water out from wet hair, and of course with the vent combined with a hairdryer for increased drying efficiency. So once again, giving you a look, this time further out. And if I did it lightly, so that's a really light drag right there. And of course the brush is made out of plastic. And of course we can see the contoured or concave design of the flex teeth of the hairbrush. And now let's go ahead and try the hairbrush out, of course without a hairdryer, just brushing that my hair with the hairbrush. And of course, for comparison in terms of size, right there on my right is the Tangle Teezer vented blow dry hairbrush, the easy dry and go in the regular size, and the one on the right, the left is the large. So giving you a look at both sizes, regular on the right and large on the left. So setting them down as well, so you can see side by side, right there, the differences in their sizes. Of course, I unboxed the regular size one, the one in jet black on the right, very recently, so you can always look up that video as well. And right there, giving you a look up close at the sizes of the flex tooth, and of course the vent designs as well. So right there from the top, tip to tip from the top, you can see the differences in size. Of the two sizes of the Tangle Teezer Easy Dry and Go. So that's the Tangle Teezer Easy Dry and Go Large. Thanks for watching and happy brushing!